There's not a lot of places out here that have faith in people like me. Like, I'm basically homeless.
It's just hard being addicted or struggling with mental health issues and other things that life can throw your way.
You can't be independently housed if you don't have a job. You can't get a job if you don't know where you're sleeping at night. And you can't do either of those things if your mental health is not in a place where you can function day to day. We get people when they're ready to make their journey back to self-sufficiency.
They help you, they guide you with any help.
It's a great program. Every day I learn something new. It's exciting, it's fun. I wake up ready for school.
And as long as I make it here to this building, to this program, I'm okay. This is a wonderful place for anybody who wants to better themselves. Even if you just want to learn how to cook, even flip an egg, this is the right place to be.
If you're someone that is looking to restart your life and you're ready, you think, to be on a path for recovery, please consider our program. You don't have to have any experience in culinary. You don't even have to have a love for food. Just come.